Introducing ISOM 43C, a new EDM material that will change EDM production. Copper graphite for cemented carbide. Copper graphite for cemented carbide is a composite material using no tungsten and made of graphite uniformly impregnated with copper. It can speeds up and reduces the cost of EDM of cemented carbide. We introduce an example of machining about reduction of machining time. We will compare with only use of a copper tungsten electrode and used in conjunction with a copper graphite electrode. The copper graphite electrode is used for rough hewn in the first half, while the copper tungsten electrode is used in the latter half of finishing. The rough hewn time was reduced by 25% when copper tungsten was used together with copper graphite. High machining accuracy and uniform surface roughness were achieved even at a machining depth of 30 millimeters. We will introduce about cost reduction. In addition to the reduction of machining time, the use of copper graphite reduces the number of copper tungsten electrodes used, which contributes to further cost reduction. Let's look specifically at the number of electrodes used. By reducing the use of expensive copper tungsten to 1/3, the cost could be reduced by 35%. Contact us with copper graphite for cemented carbide. We look forward to hearing from you about also electrode machining.